In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to log out of Spotify on all devices. This is important for security, privacy, and account control. It prevents unauthorized access, especially if you've logged in on a shared or public device, and protects your personal data, playlists, and payment details. To do this, simply head to Safari. It can be any other browser. Go to Spotify.com. You want to log into your account. On your homepage, tap onto this settings gear icon and select View Account. Scroll into the section of Security and Privacy, then select Sign Out Everywhere. This logs you out of Spotify everywhere you're logged in. Confirm by tapping on Sign Out Everywhere. Logging out everywhere also helps resolve playback issues caused by too many active connections and ensures that only you have control over your account, preventing misuse or unauthorized streaming. Well, that's how easy it is to log out of Spotify on all devices. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.